What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. So excited to be here at the Citadel. Last time Nike outlet was crazy. I don't know, let's see what happens. All right, this place hasn't opened. Have they opened? I don't know. But yeah, we are back in 4K, guys. It is 10 a.m. Guess they haven't opened. Dude got a line. Dang, that's what I get for being late. They're having their team meeting right there. Let's see what they got. Hey. Damn, I thought I was early. Apparently I'm late. Damn. All right, just opened up. Let's see what we find. 20% off the back wall. See what we find. All right, nothing crazy in that aisle. Oh my goodness, really? They're low on stuff in the back? What? Haven't seen that in a while. All right, so super quick run through. See what they got. 36 is right here. They are going for retail. You get 20% off. It's a size 12. Jordan 1 Low Golf size 12. Okay. Damn, they got that nice tumbled leather on these. Okay. It says retail though. Size 15 for you Bigfooters. Vaporfly Next Percent's going for $85. Do you get another 20% off on top of that? Alpha Fly Next Percent size 10. No pricing on it, so maybe retail? Okay. All right, we're just gonna peruse around now. I didn't see anything super crazy. I also didn't see anybody walking around with anything super crazy. So just one of those days. Size 9.5, Air Max 95s going for $180. At least you get the 20 off. 9.5. The Tempo Next Percent Flyknits go for $110. Yeah, these 10.5, 55. Witnesses, the Witness 5s go for 95, size 10. Some LeBrons, okay. Size 9.5. To be able to find these for 20% off, that's not bad. That's not bad at all, especially because these ain't been out that long. Pegasus 38. Size 10's going for $60. They're not even the 37s. The other 38s, maybe they've been worn. The bottom looks good, but the midsole, it just has a bunch of dust on it. Tons of dust. Okay. Maybe it's just sitting in the back. But $60, is that the cheapest we've seen those? Holy cow. Wow. All right, man. Y'all need to send these to the refurbished section because, come on, there's some discoloring. I don't know if it rubbed against something or what, but all right. I'm throwing these back. I was going to call someone, but nah. Air Max 90, size 10.5. We've seen these at plenty of outlets. $150. Ouch. Okay, do we got some Kyrie Infinities? Okay, Kyrie 8. Have I even seen this colorway? I don't even think I've seen this colorway, especially in men's. Yeah, these are going for retail. $130. You do get that 20 off. So maybe worth it. Some golf shoes. $160 Infinity Tours. Going for $150. Kill Shot 2 leathers. Going for $85. This is size 15. PG 5s. Size 9.5, $90. Told you everything is like mixed up here. That's right next to the size 15. Size 8.5, Pegasus. What's it, 37s going for $90. Jordan ADGs going for $140. That's size 11.5. Some slides. Some Asuna 2s. They trying to get 45 for these though. Come on now. Does seem pretty comfy though, but still, $45. Zoom GT Jumps going for $180, size 11s. These actually look like legit hoop sneakers. Size 15, some Vaporfly Next Percents go for $139. Air Max Don size 6.5 in the size 15 section. And it's going for retail. Air Force 1 boots go for $120. That's an 8.5. We have the smaller sizes. Allegedly, since everything's kind of mixed around. Size 7 go for $30. Zoom types going for $75. That is a size 8. Those nursing shoes, it is crazy because we've seen these down to $30 certain colors. This one's going for $100. Dang. Air Shesh, we've seen these a few times. $110, size 6 though, kid size. All right, not the craziest trip. Did get here before they opened and still not crazy. Guess they've cooled down a lot, man. Last week was when I came and it was just nuts. All right, let's check the aisles. Jordan 6 Hydros. These normally go 55. Max Auras. KD Trey 5.8s. Got Witnesses. These are the Witness 5s. Got a few colorways. Soldier 14s. Another one of those. Third colorway right here. Another Witness 5. Then LS slides. Okay. Normally $80. Free Run Trails. Waffle Trainer 2s. Court Vision lows. NBA version. It's like a Suns colorway. Kill Shot 2 leathers. SB Blazer courts. Canvas version of the Blazer lows. 270 Reacts. Air Force Ones with the gum bottom. Crater Impacts. Vomero 16s. Full length Zoom X. Oh, it has Zoom Air as well. Okay. It's like a better version of the Pegasus. Got a pair of these things as well. Metcon 6s. Got some 7s. Okay. Pegasus 37s. Another one of those. 37 Shields. Another one of those. We got some Air Max 2017s. Then some Invincible Run Flyknits with that Zoom X. Infinity Run Flyknits. Tons of running shoes. Another pair of those. React Milers. Another one with the full length React Pegasus 38s. These also have Zoom bags. This is a wide version. $59.97. Wow. So the wide version on sale. The regular one not on sale. Okay. Well, not on sale compared to the regular outlet prices. All right, Pegasus 38s. Then another one right there. Did come upstairs to check out some of the men's clearance stuff, but look at this. The Jordan, is this the Jordan 10 backpack? But it's the mini one though. I still don't understand these mini ones. I did kind of accidentally buy the Jordan 11 mini backpack. I just gave it to my kid and I said, hey, just throw some stuff in there if you need. Does have the dope outsole right there. And then yeah, Jordan 10 mini backpack, $40, normally $65. Who's paying $65 for that normally? Don't really see too many other backpacks. These are the mini backpacks. All right, let's go check out some of the clearance apparel. Do you get that extra 20 off? Yep. Oh, extra 30 off. Okay. Nike Hawaii shirt. This is like the thickest Hawaii shirt I've ever seen though. Dry fit, $60, normally $80. This is a large. I've never seen something like that before. Have a medium size large as well. Okay. If you need like 12 Nike symbols right there. All right, got one of these. Nike hoodie, normally $65 down to $41. This is an XL. Interesting color. Nike Block Party t-shirt. Size large, going for $25, normally $30. Nike Maple Leaf, a Canada shirt, going for retail though, $70. Okay, that's interesting. Nike Los Angeles long sleeve shirt, going for $30. This is a small, double XL. This is actually super nice, super thick. Wow, and it's like, oh man, it's like lined and everything. Normally $80 down to $60. It is a double XL. Oh my god, look at the deal on this one. This is a LeBron jacket. $250 down to $249.97. You get a whole 3 cents off. I guess you get 30% off. But still, XL right there. Got a small as well. You got a Jordan. I think this is a Jordan Diamond Fleece. Diamond Fleece shorts. Damn, I really like the style and I like the fabric, but this stuff fades like crazy. I have a bunch of fleece ones. They do fade. $50. This is a large. Too steep. Dry fit shorts going for $50, normally $55. That's a double XL. Do you got tech fleece? Damn, normally $2 down to $195. Oh, I was like, this is different than the tech fleece that I have. Slightly different. Okay. Damn, that's hella expensive. None of the pants, none of the shorts really sticking out for me, so I'm gonna keep moving. All right, nothing too crazy here. Probably a shorter vlog, but just not the craziest. I did come here before they opened to try to find them deals for y'all, but nothing much, man. Sometimes it'd be that way. I should have gone to Nike East LA. I pondered whether I should go to East LA or here, and yeah, the roll of the dice didn't work this time. All right, curious to see what they got. They did open, what, an hour and a half ago? A little bit late. See what they got. Did check the front counters. Always got to check the front counters here. Didn't really have much. I got a little bit on the heat wall over there. A little mini heat wall. Start with their heat section. Not too shabby. Brotherhoods. Marinas. You got some the acid dunks right there. Okay. I name all those shoes and then I freaking go right towards the fives. Dude got the Moonlight fives. So I'm going for $1.90, size 8.5. Material on. I'm such a fan of this material right here, man. See that little motion in the ocean right there as I show up on camera. It's nice. I'm a fan. Playoff. Do you got the playoff 12s? 212. These are 210. Damn, I didn't know these would go for that much. Okay. Size 8.5. Got some of the 7s. Size 10.5 on these. These did not move much at all. Brotherhoods. People have been picking these up at the clearance store for hella cheap. $1.70. This is a 10.5, my size. Do got another one of these. It's a grade school 4Y. The Marina. There's a reseller looking at those. Do got some 6s. Sizes 5.5. Women's. Got some dunks. And kid sizes. It's just a women's size. It's super small. I don't know. I can't see. I think it's a 6.5. So youth size probably. And then do got these as well. I don't know. Oh, 130's crossed out. I don't know. Happens out quick. That reseller just bought the Marinas, the Moonlight, and the Playoff 12s. All right, let's go check out the 20% off wall. Starting with the size 10, 10.5. Zoom BB NXTs. Haven't seen these in a while. Okay, size 10, go for $1.30. These came out for $180 originally. Do get 20% off. The sign's broken, but do get 20% off. Do got some SBs right here. Some Verona slip, size 9.5. That's definitely interesting. The material seems nice. Yeah, nice soft suede. Just not my color, not my style. $40. Oh. Shout out to Tanjin. We've been talking here and there on Instagram forever, and then finally got to see him here. Blazer lows. These are the Beetroot colorways. $70, normally $100. Infinity Run Flyknits, going for $1.20. Got plenty of those. Blazer courts being given away. 10.5. This is the canvas version of the Blazers. $30 with the discount. What's that come up to? What, $24? We saw these the last time we came here. The custom, the Nike by You Blazer lows. Material super nice. It's just worn. It's been worn. But yeah, normally 105 down to 53. Do get that 20 off. So what, $43? All right, I was told by one of the workers I can't record in here. I didn't even know he works here. All right, let's leave. I'm out. All right, none of them fools have said anything in a while, dude. Damn. And then the worker, I couldn't even tell he worked there because he wasn't wearing nothing. He didn't even have an earphone, whatever. All right, whatever. All right, let's go check out Foot Locker right here, see if they got anything, and then I guess we'll move on to another spot. Dude got these. They didn't get the men's though. Only got grade school here. But these are the new Rick and Morty's. These just released this morning. There were lines at certain spots. Okay, they got the grade school pairs. Okay, cool. Not bad. Jordan section. Do got core purple still. This is a size 10. I'm definitely passing on these. I actually got one and then I got rid of it, to be honest. Found one at the clearance store for almost like free. But yeah, $100. Do got a Del Sol as well. Okay, size 10. And then got these. Man, I missed my chance. Man, they did have these at the outlets for hella cheap. And I missed my chance. I think it was on like $55. Man, I missed my chance on those. I don't know if I want to pay $90, to be really honest. I kind of just want these just because it's Zion's first shoe. I don't know. Got Huaraches on sale. And do got Pegasus as well. Okay. Not the greatest sales. We've seen them cheaper at the outlets. Infinity Run Flyknits. A couple of those on sale. I was like, is this the same colorway or different? Oh, it is different. Okay. I think they'd put it next to each other, but no, I guess not. Is it me or lately have they been pushing more the Air Max Plus nowadays? Like they just have so many different colors. I don't remember them having that many colors. I think I've showed those Air Max, those two plenty of times. Do got these on sale, normally $1.40. Not a fan of that colorway though. Do got plenty of merch on sale, 70% off. But we've seen these quite a few times. The All City Hoodies, I'm a really big fan of these. $80 down to $24. And then I think with, oh, okay, got the pants. I have the hoodie that matches that. Also the gray ones. These are $75, so it's gonna be under $24. Pants. These pants are dope. I just don't like having the All City right there. $60 for those. So what, 18 after the discount? All right, nothing too crazy. Yeah, let's figure out where else to go. We're gonna add this onto another vlog. All right, guys, that is kind of the way it works. You know, last week we saw crazy heat. We saw what, 4 different Jordan retros there. This time, nothing. It is what it is. But that's kind of the way it works. I'm gonna hit up Nike East LA in a bit, and I'll definitely get a video for y'all. But I'm also gonna check out the Reebok outlet because they've had crazy stuff at some of the other locations. I don't know about here, so definitely gotta check it out. But yeah, that's kind of the way it works sometimes. Sometimes to hit, sometimes to miss. It is what it is. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all know how much that means to me. Make sure you help your boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know, do drop tons of videos. And yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one.